Welcome! In this lesson, we will master addition and subtraction using place value. We will solve two 3-digit additions in 3 different ways and two 3-digit subtractions in 3 different ways. Along the way, we will use a place value table from ones to billions, and then try some harder examples to deepen understanding. Before we compute, let's ground ourselves in place value. Here is a 2-row table from ones all the way to billions. The top row names the places, and the bottom row will hold digits. Let's read a few examples to see how each place contributes to the whole number. First, 7 is just 7 ones. Next, 42 means 4 tens and 2 ones. Next, 305 means 3 hundreds, 0 tens, 5 ones. Now, jump to the millions. 12,345,678. Finally, a billions example. For billion, 305,071,809. Let's add our first pair, 458 plus 367. We will use 3 methods: the standard column algorithm, expanded form, and a number line strategy. Start with the column layout. Add ones. 8 plus 7 is 15. Write 5 in ones and carry 1 to tens. Add tens. 5 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 12. Write 2 in tens and carry 1 to hundreds. Add hundreds. For plus 3 plus 1 equals 8. Our sum is 825. Now expanded form. 400 plus 50 plus 8, plus 300 plus 60 plus 7. Group by place. Hundreds, tens, ones. That gives 700 plus 100 equals 800. 50 plus 60 equals 110. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Combine 110 and 15. That's 125. 800 plus 125 gives 825. Finally, the number line. Jump by 300, then 60, then 7. Now a trickier addition. 806 plus 597. Standard algorithm first. Ones. 6 plus 7 is 13. Write 3 and carry 1. Tens. 0 plus 9 plus the 1 is 10. Write 0 and carry 1. Hundreds. 8 plus 5 plus 1 is 14. The sum is 1,403. Expanded form next. 800 plus 0 tens plus 6 plus 500 plus 9 tens plus 7. Group by place and add. That also gives 1,403. Finally, compensation. Add 600, then subtract 3. Now subtraction. We'll start with 806 minus 597. Column method first. Ones. 6 minus 7. We cannot, so borrow 110 from the tens place. But tens is 0, so we must borrow from the hundreds, turning 800s into 700s, making tens into 10, then borrow again to make ones 16. 16 minus 7 equals 9. Tens. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Hundreds. 7 minus 5 equals 2. The difference is 209. Expanded regrouping next. 800 plus 0 tens plus 6, minus 500 plus 9 tens plus 7. Regroup as 700 plus 10 tens plus 6, then regroup as 700 plus 9 tens plus 16 ones, and subtract place by place to get 209. Counting up method. Start at 597 and count up to 806. From 597 to 600 is 3. To 800 is 200, to 806 is 6 more. Total is 209. Next, 791 minus 183. Column method. Ones. 1 minus 3. Borrow from tens to make 11 minus 3 equals 8. Tens. 8 became 7 after the borrow. 7 minus 8. Borrow from hundreds to make 17 minus 8 equals 9. Hundreds. 6 minus 1 equals 5. The difference is 508. Expanded regrouping. 791 becomes 600, 19 tens, and 11 ones after regrouping, then subtract place by place to get 508. Counting up from 183 to 791. Jump 17 to 200, then 500 to 700, then 91 to 791. Total is 508. A quick mental subtraction to finish. 12 minus 11. Using place value, 12 is 1 10 and 2 ones, 11 is 110 and 1 1. Subtract ones. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Tens cancel. Answer is 1. To recap, we used the place value table from ones up to billions, and we solved additions and subtractions 3 different ways: the standard column algorithm with carries and borrows, expanded form that groups by place and number line, or counting up to build intuition. For even larger numbers like in the millions or billions, the exact same 3 ideas still work. Align by place, carry or borrow as needed, and keep each place separate as you think. Practice a few each day, and your speed and accuracy will soar.